Keep your remodel under budget while upgrading major fixtures by planning purchases around sales, reusing what still works, and prioritizing where quality truly matters. Start by creating a prioritized list of fixtures ranked by both visual impact and functional importance, then assign each item a target spend and a maximum spend you will not exceed. Time purchases to coincide with seasonal sales such as holiday promotions, end-of-season clearances, or manufacturer model changeovers to capture deeper discounts. Consider scratch and dent items for large fixtures like ranges, refrigerators, and tubs. Inspect cosmetics in person and confirm return policies so you are comfortable with minor blemishes in exchange for substantial savings. Reuse existing items where feasible by refinishing, reglazing, or updating hardware to change the look without full replacement. For example, reglazing a bathtub or refinishing cabinets can save thousands compared with replacement. When buying new, separate visual finishes from performance components so you can buy a lower-cost core unit and add affordable trim or hardware to achieve the desired appearance. Buy common hardware and finishes from discount outlets and match less expensive pieces visually by maintaining consistent proportions and line styles to preserve a cohesive look. The three most common mistakes are overspending on low-impact items, assuming new always means better, and neglecting installation costs. A short way to avoid overspending on low-impact items is to focus higher budgets on a few statement fixtures and choose modest but matching pieces elsewhere. Remember that new does not always outperform well-maintained existing equipment, so evaluate condition and service history before replacing and consider repair or refurbishment when performance is acceptable. To manage installation costs, get multiple written estimates, schedule work in logical sequences to avoid repeat site visits, and confirm whether priced services include disposal and permit fees. Each of these steps reduces surprises and keeps the project aligned with your planned budget. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by making it easy to post projects, compare local options, and discuss approaches with other members. We also host a discussion community where tradespeople and homeowners exchange real-world tips and contractor leads, helping us find the right fit and find steady local work.